Welcome to Farmsteading with Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and my channel focuses on the simple joys of country living. Join me as I take you on a journey and show you how to embrace the beauty of nature, gardening, preserving food, baking, raising chickens, creating your own household and hygiene products, and so much more for both family and sale. So growing up as an Okie from Oklahoma, my parents taught us kids to always keep Jesus in our hearts and then just to enjoy the simple things in life. So I have brought everything that I've learned from my childhood and brought it into my household. And so guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. And so sit back and let's just keep it country simple. So Richard and I are taking out some raised beds that have been there for a while, and the posts were beginning to rot, and so we decided just to remove them and extend the garden. And so it took a while, but we got the job done. So Austin and Jessica and her nephew we helped us put down the ground covering, and we were going to cook out afterwards. So we had a really good time that day. I definitely appreciated the help. That was funny. Enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and put it in the comments. And thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't, then please click the subscribe button below and the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to be having another video. And so I will see you next Wednesday at 4 o'clock for another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. And so may God bless you and happy trails.